I've got a really strong list today, so I won't spend too much time here in the intro, but I do want to finish that point of waiting for confirmation. I urge you to force yourself to start to do this. Everything changed for me in the markets. A couple of things happened. One was I learned to control myself, risk management, and become more mechanical, knowing the models that I had edge. But the other thing was learning market breadth and timing and waiting for the confirmation to have the momentum of the markets behind my models. Predicting is something that is extremely hard to do. And I'm going to work on beginning to show you guys more examples of what waiting for confirmation looks like. I mean, it is the triple R, but there's so many breakout levels and box breakouts and things. And I have a couple of them that just naturally came up here today where the shakeout happens, right? These things break out and it's such an emotional trigger where you feel like you've got to go get involved. It's going without me. But I promise you, more often than not, it pulls back to retest that level or at the very least put in a higher low, or if we're trading downside, a lower high. But it will confirm, it will come back, and we look for Wall Street to step in and hold structure, hold our levels, and reinitiate trend. That is the entire thesis behind, the basis behind the triple R. But I'm really going to start leaning into this, guys. Wait for confirmation, because when I stopped trying to predict the markets, I stopped spinning tires, I started making money, I changed my fucking life. Okay, so I'm just going to start leaning into that a little bit more. I've got some people in Bootcamp that are kind of connecting with it. I take what you guys say, man, your feedback and your questions and things that you say are resonating with you. A lot of that rolls into the points that I make here in watch list. So guys, thank you very much for that.